Hey guys, we received these food dice for test and try. As you can see, comes in a really nice gift box. So you can also gift it to someone. So basically, these are the dice that if you are confused how to choose the Chinese or Mexican or Italian food or whatever you want, you can use this dice as a fun for the family or friends. So my first impression for this is a very nice quality metal dice, as you can see, with a really imposed the material, seafood, fast food, Italian, Mexican, or all those type of things here. Very nice, shiny, heavy duty or heavy quality dice, as you can feel. And you can just use this to dice around and then choose the food you got. So say like you can just choose is the Italian food comes, you can go for it, or you can try and choose whatever with the friends and the family. So a very nice pair of dice for the food selection.